What up, YouTube, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I am back with my first unboxing / demonstration video. I will be unboxing my new steamer that I purchased from Amazon.com. So this is how my package arrived. It did arrive to me damaged, as you can see by the huge hole on the side, that it had a rough journey to me, but everything inside of the box was packaged very well. So fortunately for me, nothing was damaged because I suck at returning things, okay? Like seriously, I don't know what it is, but boom. So here is my new steamer. This is the Artist Hand Professional Hair Steamer, Hairdressing Care Hood Color Processor Beauty Salon. And yes, that's the full name. But I'm going to begin removing all the items from this box and begin assembling my steamer. Now, it did come with instructions that I did not read because, I mean, who reads instructions? You know, you just eyeball it and figure it out. No, seriously, read those instructions because it was a little bit confusing to put together. But I'm just going to continue removing the items from this box just to make sure that nothing is damaged and also to make sure that all of my pieces are here. Once I am done making sure that I have all my pieces, I'm going to begin to put it together. So of course I'm going to start off with the base. I did forget to mention that this is a portable steamer, so it does come with the wheels. However, I did choose not to add the wheels to my steamer, but because of its portable design, it is easy to move and carry regardless if you add the wheels or not. Now we're going to add the height adjuster. So this has a spring-loaded base, and what that means is the height can be easily adjusted but securely locked in place, which is great. But I do have my pros and cons about the spring-loaded base, because if you're not paying attention and you unlock the knob while trying to adjust the height, it will spring up and hit you in the face. I know this because I was very close to having all my fronts taken out. The whole fronts would have been gone. So be very, very careful. But once you're done shoving that in, you just want to place the steamer right on top and boom, you are done. So once you're done, you just want to double check to make sure everything is nice and secure, and then you want to move on to the fun stuff. So now I'm just going to take this container and I'm going to fill it up with some clean water. Okay, make sure the water is clean. Now this can be tap, bottle, it doesn't matter. It just has to be fresh water. So I'm just going to place this in the slot that's located on top of the steamer. Now you will see me jump because I wasn't expecting the water to drain out immediately, but it's supposed to do that. But you can clearly see I am confused. But now that I have my steamer up and running, you could tell by my expression, I am excited to be here. Yes, I am. I am ready for this deep conditioning because my locks need it. So I'm just going to continue to sit under here for about 20 to 30 minutes, 45 minutes max, because anything after that is just a complete waste of time. But I'm going to continue to sit here until the magic begins. So here I am 15 minutes in, and all I can say, this water is hot. Now I do have the temperature set on high, but I just wasn't expecting it to be set on hell. And so with that being said, I am going to turn it down just a tad, just a notch, because that's ridiculous. So your first steamer, do not place the steamer too close to your scalp because it will burn. Okay, that's your first don't. Another don't is do not steam with a shower cap on, and do not steam naked, okay? But let's jump into some of the benefits of Steam Your Locks. So it's great for increasing circulation. And I ain't talking about the love below. Ain't that right, fellas? Okay, let me stop. It promotes hair growth. It cleanses the scalp, removing dirt and dead skin. It hydrates and moisturizes. And it also fights dryness and breakage. So it has been 45 minutes and the timer has gone off, and now it's time to lock in some of that moisture. So I've grabbed my favorite leave-in conditioner and mixed it with my favorite oil, and I'm just going to massage that mixture into my scalp and locks. That way the leave-in conditioner and oil mixture can make its way deep inside the hair shaft. And again, that is perfect for someone like myself who has color treated hair. And here's a close-up. So this is what my scalp looks like after 45 minutes under my steamer. My scalp looks like I just had a fresh wash, and that's pretty impressive because I didn't wash my hair prior to steaming it. So and I noticed that it made the color pop a little bit more. I don't know, it just looks a little bit refreshed. But now that I am finished oiling my scalp and conditioning, I am going to begin styling. So this is the next morning, and I'm just doing this super easy protective style. It features a curly bang and a turban. And I did curl my bangs off camera. You can click the link below to see that tutorial. But I'm going to place all my locks into a high ponytail and cover it with a silk bonnet. I do this to protect my hair from the cold weather and also any drying materials like these old pair of leggings that I'm using today. So I'm going to place the leggings on top and I'm going to begin the wrap. This is very simple to do. You just want to pin the back and just simply wrap the legs around your head. Now this is the short version. Now if you guys are interested in a more in-depth turban tutorial, I do have one available on my channel. You guys of course can click the link below. But now I'm going to remove all my perm rods and I am going to speed it up just to save a little bit of time. But this pretty much completes this look. And I have to say, I am loving the results. Like seriously, do yourself a huge favor and add a sit under steamer to your lock hair routine. You won't regret it. But that's pretty much it for me. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video, man. Bye-bye.